In this video, I'll guide you how to correct common mistakes that you are using in English speaking sentences on a daily basis. So, I will give you the review of 5 to 6 sentences you are actually using the common mistakes on a daily basis, and these are absolutely wrong. So try to make your sentence correct on your priority basis. So first one is, one of my friend live in Tokyo. It is absolutely a wrong sentence. The correct will be, one of my friends live in Tokyo. Okay. Next, she is good in English. It is absolutely wrong. So the correct sentence will be, she is good at English. So at is a correct instead of in. Next, I am looking forward to see you. So this is the wrong one. See, we can't use in this sentence. The correct will be, I am looking forward to seeing you. Seeing will be used instead of see. Next, you should practice to speak English. To speak English is absolutely wrong. Okay, you can make correct this by this way. You should practice speaking English. Next one, I work in a bank. So you can't use in this sentence. So you will use, I work for a bank. This will be correct sentence. Next one, your hairs are really beautiful. Here actually it is itself plural. So you will use singular. Your hair is really beautiful. So if you found my video helpful for you, please like my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you.